Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Shabana Singh, Department of English, Munalal College, Saharanpur. In today's video, I will explain the complete syllabus of MA English Semester 1. The title of this paper 2 is Restoration to 1798. And if you have recently joined this course or are preparing for your semester examinations, this will help you understand exactly what you need to study. So let's begin. First, we will take the overview of this course and let us understand the basic details of this course. The program is about the first year MA semester 1. The course title is Restoration and it carries 4 credits. The examination consists of 25 marks internal and 75 marks external. 75 marks external marks, making a total of 100 marks. There are approximately 60 lectures for this paper and minimum passing marks will be 40. Now let's understand what this course aims to teach. This paper introduces students to one of the most important periods of English literature, beginning with Restoration and continuing to the end of 18th century. And during this course, you will study the political, social, economic, religious, and intellectual background of the period. And you will also learn about the Restoration literature, Puritan influence, satire, mock heroic poetry, religious poetry, rise of English novel, development of prose, literary movements before Romanticism, and by the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of how English literature evolved during this important period. So let's begin with Unit 1. The first unit focuses on Alexander Pope's The Rape of the Lock. This is one of the finest examples of mock heroic poetry. And while reading this text, pay attention to satire, social criticism, humor, and Pope's poetic style. This work is frequently asked in university examinations. The second unit includes poetry by Thomas Gray and William Blake. From Thomas Gray, you will study Elegy written in country churchyard. This is a reflective poem about life, death, and human equality. From William Blake, you will study poems from Songs of Innocence, Songs of Experience, and from the Songs of Innocence, you will have to study the poems like Introduction, The Lamb, Holy Thursday, Chimney Sweeper, and The Divine Image. And from the Songs of Experience, you will study the Introduction, Earth's Answer, Nurse's Song, Tiger, and London. All these poems explore innocence, experience, childhood, society, religion, and imagination. The third unit is drama. You will study Oliver Goldsmith's She Stoops to Conquer. This comedy is famous for its humor, mistaken identities, lively characters, and criticism of social manners. It is one of the best known 18th century English comedies. The fourth unit introduces Henry Fielding's Tom Jones. This novel is considered a milestone in the development of the English novel. While studying this text, focus on the plot, characterization, realism, humor, and Fielding's narrative. The final unit 5. This unit focuses on prose writings by Joseph Addison and Richard Steele from The Spectator, and you will study the Spectator's account of himself, the Coverley Household, and the character of Wimble. These essays also helped shape modern English prose and offer valuable insights into 18th century society and culture. Now I will give you some best examination tips for better preparation for this paper. Read the prescribed text carefully. Understand the historical background. Learn about the major literary movements. Revise important quotations. Practice previous year's question papers and focus on themes, characters, literary devices, and critical appreciation. Following this strategy will make your preparation much easier. So this was the complete overview of the restoration to 1798 syllabus, and in the coming videos I will explain every unit in detail, including summaries, themes, important questions, model answers, and examination tips. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture. Happy learning.